the night. I feel the lunar light. I'm lost in zero gravity. My heart's in your frequency. The stars align with your energy. You're the spark inside of me. The orbit pulls me near. Your voice is crystal clear. We move in silver waves. No fear, no tear. Lunar Pulse, I feel you in my veins. Electric love, it drives me through the haze. Under your light, I'm alive again. Lunar Pulse, we're endless in magnetic fields collide. We're burning from inside. In cosmic symmetry, your soul reflects in me. No time, no place to hide. We're stars that can't divide. Our echoes never fade in lunar shade. Take me higher, past the moon, past the rhythm, past the tune. In this silence, I still hear your pulse so near. Lunar Pulse, I feel you in my veins. Electric love, it drives me through the haze.